Hello viewers, this is Jyoti. Welcome to Sri Purnima. So today we are going to showcase some two sets of sari. One is the fancy jute silk sari and the other one is a soft lychee silk sari. We have one sari which is for closing offer. So that sari is Korea Muslim silk cotton sari which I will be showing in the last. So I will be moving with the saris now. So this is sari number 1. The fabric is a jute silk. It's a fancy silk sari. So the sari comes like this one. So it has a small checked patterns. It's a jute silk sari. I will give you the closer look of the fabric. So it's a jute silk sari. So this is how the sari will be looking. It's a fancy sari type. So it has this kind of fancy tassels at the pallu. So the sari is simple sari. It's a fancy type. So this is the whole look of the sari. The entire sari will be looking like this. It has a mild zari border at both the ends. So the blouse comes with work. The blouse is a Banarasi blouse. The blouse fabric is Banarasi and it has printed with the embroidery. So it is printed Banarasi blouse with the embroidery. So the price of this sari is 950 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. The price of this sari is 950 rupees and the shipping charges is extra. This is a fancy jute silk sari. The fabric is jute silk. It has this kind of tassels, fancy tassels. So all over the body. I will show you, just open the sari and show you. So this is how the entire sari will be looking. And the blouse is the Banarasi blouse with printed and embroidered over the printing. So this is sari number 1. We have two more color options in this. So the first one is the pink color and the second one is the beige color. So this is second one. And the second one sari has this blouse bit. So it has a kind of fancy blouse bit. So this is sari number 2 and light green color. So this is sari number 3. This is sari number 3 with the same kind of first sari blouse. So butterfly with embroider. The price of this sari is 950. The material is very soft. It's delicate. As you can see, is this jute silk sari with Banarasi blouse, worked blouse. So the price of these saris is 950 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. COD is also available. So this is the sari first set. So I will be moving with the second set of saris now. So this is soft lychee silk. It has the Kanjivaram design all over the body. So this is the sari number 4. So this has a shiny fabric. The fabric is very shiny. It has the design, the Kanjivaram design all over the body, checked design. So this you can see the checked buttas design. So this is how the body will be looking. It has the zari border, medium sized border on both the ends. And this is the pallu. The pallu will be coming contrast. So the green with orange. And the blouse is also orange. It's a jacquard weaving. The blouse and the pallu is jacquard weaving. So all of them are weaving. This is the weaving you can see. So this is sari number 4, priced at 850. The material is soft. The material is soft. It is not hard. The material is soft as you can see. This material is shiny also. So this is sari number 4, priced at 850. The fabric is soft lychee silk. And we have other color options in this also. This is sari number 5. It's a pink with light green combination. So it's a pink with light green combination. This is how the sari will be looking. And orange with grey shade. So the orange with grey shade. These are the 3 color options available in this one. The price of these sarees is 850 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So this is how the saree will be looking. Yeah, if anyone wants to book any sarees, please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me to 9150556870. We are based at Savashwam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. So I will moving with the next set. So this is set number 2, priced at 850. We have just one more saree for today. This is an offer. This is a design closing offer. It's a Kora muslin silk cotton saree. This is the only one saree left in this collection. So the offer price is 650. So this is Kora muslin silk cotton saree. It's not a silk, it's silk cotton saree. It has a grey shade with green and zari border. So this is how the saree will be looking, and the pallu. This is the pallu. And just a minute, I will show you the blouse also. The blouse also will be coming like grey color. Yeah. This is the blouse fabric. So the blouse is also grey color. So this is saree in offer price. The price of this saree is 600. It's because of the design closing offer. So only one saree is left in this particular design model. So this is blouse piece. And this is the back side of the blouse. This is the front side of the blouse. The price of this saree is 650. It's a Kora muslin silk cotton saree. So if you want to book any saree, please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. That's all for today, guys. I will be coming with the next set of sarees by tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Thanks.